Video presentación, Home Sure Place. Aprendiz Nora Isabel Murillo Perea, Technology and Efficient Energy Management. Medellín is located in el North One on Colombia. Out of Central Madden Green are located in the Valle de Aburrá. Fuller Flower Garden, Ares Floor in Lawrence Chinwan. Medellín is mountain city, wind and clay, with many green area, bar, restaurant, Naya Metrocable. Plaza Botero provides culture, R&Y, dele, restauración, café, hot dinner, and sausage fabric. It is full opportunities in which I can believe biomass fishing,